Hi there guys, welcome back to Classic Shack, and today we are back working on the CLK Mercedes. So about 5 months ago I had an issue with the car, and it'd been an ongoing issue with it was coming up with an overboost error, and I took it to the garage, had it diagnosed. It turned out to be the Turbo Actuator. I couldn't find a replacement genuine one, so I removed the actuator, sent it away to a company to be refurbished, fitted it back on the car. Been great. In the meantime I've had the car mapped, so originally it's 150 horsepower, apparently now it's 186. I don't know how they proved that because it wasn't dynoed, but it's been about 3 months since it was mapped, and now I'm back to the same problem with overboost errors and it going into limp mode. So the actuator did have a 2-year warranty on the repair, but what I've decided to do is take that off, send it away to be repaired, but in the meantime I have gone and bought a new pattern part actuator. Now it looks brand new. It doesn't have the same numbers on it that mine has. The only one that's the same, don't know if we can see it here, G185. That's the only one that's the same. And the housing doesn't have Heller on it like the original one did. So I think this comes with 1 year guarantee. So I'm going to try this. I did go to Mercedes to see if I could buy a genuine one of these from Mercedes, but they don't sell them. They only sell the turbo and actuator together, and they're special order, and they're £2,400. Now I don't think my CLK is worth that amount, so I'm not willing to pay that to repair it. So I'm going to have a go with this aftermarket one, see how we get on. I'm not going to film in detail how I do it. If you want to see how you do that, go and check out the video where I replaced it the first time. I'm going to get on with swapping in this new actuator. Right, I've got the old actuator out. It took about an hour. It still looks alright on the outside, but it's obviously, well, I'm hoping it is this failing on the inside. Here's the new one. This is a new pattern part. It's got this same G85. I don't know if it will show up on there. It's right there, and on here it's different, but the lids are slightly different. Sorry, the lighting in here is terrible at the minute. The lids are slightly different, but the plugs are the same. The only other difference is the orientation of where the like rod goes on from the turbo to the actuator. So I'm going to get on with fitting this new pattern part one, and then take it for a drive, see if it's fixed the problem. Okay, it's back together. It's been about 45 minutes I think to put it back together. I managed to drop my magnetic pickup tool down there and I can't get it back, which is a pain, but hey ho, that's staying there now. So yeah, I'm just about to drop the bonnet, take it for a drive, see if it's back working again. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so it's been about a month since I fitted the aftermarket actuator, and I haven't had any problems at all. In fact, it definitely goes better than it did before. So I can't see any downsides to buying the aftermarket one. I mean, it has only been a month and I've covered about 1,000 miles, but it seems to be working as it should. So hopefully that gets rid of the myth that the aftermarket ones don't work, but it has only been a month and 1,000 miles. So I hope this video's helped someone. If you've liked it, give it a like, drop me a comment, and until the next one, see you all later.